Hey guys, did they learn how to download iOS 16 beta for free? As you can see, there's going to be a few devices over here. It's basically going to stop from the iPhone 7. So if you are using an iPhone 7 and below that, the phones below the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 itself won't be catered with the new iOS 16. So now you'd have that established. You could actually head on and search for iOS 16 beta testing, and it's going to redirect you over here on you should actually click over here on the Apple site. So click over here on betaapple.com. And as you can see, it's going to give you the option to download or sign up for the iOS 16 beta software testing. And for those who do want to sign up for this and basically get iOS 16 first, before all of your other friends in iOS users, you could actually click over here and sign up for this beta testing program, and you could. All you need to do is to input your Apple ID and stuff like that. And basically once that is done, Apple will send you a file that will actually enable you to download the beta software once it is out. And as you can see right now, I don't have that since I haven't downloaded yet. But basically for you guys, you can just head on and sign up if you choose to. And of course, you're going to have to download the special file that will automatically update your phone, or rather automatically give you a prompt. If the iOS 16 beta testing is now available for you to download and update your phones. Okay guys, that is how you download the iOS 16 beta for free on your phones. I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, this has been Held to Web.